Am I really that much? And breaking these things down like a hammer. You don't really do loyal like a can. You're not really do loyal out like a can. You a man, you say you was a man. You say you got a plan. I really was trying to listen. You saying got no discipline. That's why I wasn't listening.
Hey y'all, it's your girl SONIIBEE and I'm back again with another freaking video.
You know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know I would.
And today's video is really just gonna be like a chill day in my life type of thing. I don't have much planned for today for real, but I do have a lot that I need to do. My house is pretty much clean still, because I try to keep it up throughout the week. Only thing I would probably need to do is like sweep and mop. But yeah, right now I'm about to go ahead and get my iPad and make a to-do list because I do have a lot of schoolwork due. I do take not mid-semester, but like 8-week courses because I'm online. So some of the options only have 8-week classes, so they are ending this Friday. So it's like projects, assignments, everything is due. So I'm about to get my iPad, make a to-do list, so I can know everything that we gotta do, so I can tell y'all what I gotta do. But yeah, try something new with this video. I didn't really feel like talking this morning, but I knew I wanted to do a video, so I was just like, yeah, we're just gonna do a no talking in the morning until I'm ready to talk. But yeah, right now it is 12:22. I woke up at about 10:55. I was supposed to wake up at 8, but I was really tired, y'all. I literally was doing homework and I worked yesterday. So yeah, we're about to go get my iPad, make a to-do list, and we're gonna find out what all I have to do. I don't know how I feel about this hairstyle, y'all, but I've been trying to find stuff to do with my natural hair because I was wearing wigs like back to back for real. So I was trying to get my hair a break, but the wig finna have to come back. And I got these middle parts bad. Like, I was trying not to do like a, well, if you know me, you know I do my usual middle part slick back one bun type of thing, but it starts breaking your hair off up here if you keep doing it. I'm trying to steer away from the middle part. Is it tilting? We about to go to good note. Actually, I'm gonna come back when we done making the list because y'all don't want to see me make the list for real. So yeah, we gonna be that. Got my to-do list. I'm just gonna put it on the screen because I really, yeah, it looks ugly, but we still gonna put it on the screen. I'll just put it up there right now for y'all to see. But yeah, to start, I have well, not to start, this is not any specific order. So I have KMPE 100 chapter 6, 7, and I have a project. I have KMPE 111 week 7 assignment. I have marketing 443, crosstabs, and quiz. And then I have cook and laundry. I feel like I have to do something else. I want to rearrange my living room, but I don't know if that's gonna happen today. But yeah, let me go ahead and get started on doing this homework because your girl is supposed to be, well, it's 12. I'm supposed to be up at 8. I am already I woke up, what, 2, almost 3 hours behind schedule. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started on homework so it could be done before 9:59. So let me sit y'all down. So I just got my plate. I'm about to warm up my bagel. My battery's flashing, y'all. Y'all, these camera batteries die so quick. Let me change it up. Okay. See, that's why I had it right here, charging. Okay, y'all, I finished homework at like, this hairstyle is making me look like a child, but it's okay. I finished homework at like 2:10, but right now I'm about to go ahead and start laundry because I should have had already started it. But okay, let me grab the basket out of here along with all the towels. I'm about to sort it and then I'm gonna be back because I can't really show y'all because the window behind me. Okay, y'all, here's the laundry. Actually, that goes away. But yeah, we just have my robe separately, and then we have towels, colors, and then the white. That I usually wash it with the whites because it's really light, and I don't use bleach. I just use OxyClean, so that'll be fine. I am back. We are not done with homework yet. We are almost done. Look, I got the little highlights going. I'm getting real creative with this project. But I forgot your girl had to work. This isn't my regular shift. I'm usually off Sunday, Monday, but I did pick up some time. It was only 3 hours anyway. 4 to 7. It's Sunday, so it's gonna be dead. So I'm still about to continue doing my project while I'm working. Let me go ahead. I clocked in. Let me get everything pulled up. Make sure I don't have nothing to do. All my work stuff is set. I'm about to go ahead and just continue to keep doing my project. Like I said, I also don't even get off until 7, so I'm probably gonna be cooking while I'm on the clock too. While I'm over here running my mouth. The clothes are done. I don't hit a washer. So I put olive oil in my pan, but I do use this because butter cooks faster, so it's gonna make the salmon like blackened almost. So yeah, and this is garlic parmesan. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, it's just garlic parmesan. I guess it's called better butter. I don't know, I just tried it. Okay, y'all, I am finally finished cooking. This is the final result. I don't want my food to slide. Just broccoli, rice, and then I did salmon and then some shrimp. And I made a little garlic parmesan sauce to go on top. That's my food. That's what I'm about to eat for dinner. I know I'm eating now, but how do y'all feel about these they're making like these foil things? Like usually I see people put in a foil, but right now I'm on Facebook and I'm seeing them put it in a pan when they just put a whole bunch of butter and put it in the oven. I don't know about that. Like, I'm just supposed to cut a raw steak, put it in the oven with butter and eat it. I don't know how I feel about that, because how is the steak and the broccoli and the potatoes supposed to be cooked evenly and perfectly all together? Like, I don't know, it's not my thing. All right, y'all, I just finished eating. Still have some food left, not a lot. That was cap. Probably like half of my food. But if you know me, you know I don't finish my food. But I'm gonna put it in the microwave because if I get hungry later, that's what I'll be eating. So yeah, it's not a problem. Kind of tired of doing homework. No, I finished my homework. I forgot. See, I just be in homework mode. I am back. I have finished cooking, working, doing homework, and I did laundry. So that is the end of my Sunday. I'm probably just gonna watch YouTube or actually Netflix. Oh, look at my hair, y'all. It's a mess now. But yeah, I'm probably about to just watch Netflix for the rest of the night. Actually, I do need to pick out this outfit for because I want to take Instagram pictures. Yeah, I definitely want to do 2 braids, but I already have it parted. But I don't know if that's gonna happen for real. We'll see. So yeah, I have my idea for my outfit, but I don't know. And then I was gonna go ahead and switch out my clothes, but then I checked the weather, y'all, and let me show y'all. It don't want to focus, but all of them say 80, 86, 85, 86, 87, 87, 87, 82, 81, 87, 80. There's no need to change out my clothes right now, even though I really want to, because I'm so tired of summer clothes. Like, it's tired, it's done, it's over with, like, let it go. But I can't yet. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna enjoy this little week. Hopefully it starts getting a little cooler next week. If I decide to do something else, I'll come back. But if not, I just want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all will see y'all in my next freaking video.
I know that I need my friend, but I